Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is a steamed egg with viral recipe I saw online. Hope you like it. In fact, there are many controversies about steaming eggs. Some say that cold water should be used, while others say boiling water should be used. Let's try using boiling water today. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients are just eggs. Crack eggs into bowl. For 3 eggs, add 6 times the water from the egg shells. Remember to add hot boiled water. Stir until frothy. Remove foam. I didn't sieve the egg liquid, and the steamed egg result came out perfect. If you like to sieve the egg liquid, you can do it the way you like. Send to steamer and let steam egg. Steam at 115 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. You can use a chopstick to test whether the egg is fully cooked. If there is no water came out means it is cooked. Look at the silk smooth egg surface. Cut the egg as you like. Drizzle with soy sauce and black vinegar. Steamed egg is ready to be served. Look how tender the steamed egg. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Need cooking inspiration. Steamed eggs are a common dish in China. Scientific research shows that in terms of the absorption and digestibility of egg nutrients, boiled and steamed eggs are 100%, tender fried eggs are 98%, scrambled eggs are 97%. Poached eggs are 92.5%, deep fried eggs are 81.1%, and raw eggs are 30% to 50%. Steamed egg called steamed egg in mainland China and Hong Kong, and steamed egg in Taiwan, also known as egg custard, and egg cake, is a common side dish in Chinese cooking. The details of the cooking methods vary from place to place. Generally speaking, to make steamed egg custard, you should first beat the eggs into egg liquid, add seasonings such as salt or soy sauce and drinking water, mix well, steam it, and then pour cooked all or chopped green onions on it before enjoying. Steamed egg has a strict requirement for steaming time. If steamed for too long, honeycomb bubbles will form. If steamed and cooled before steaming, the egg will lose its smooth texture. You can open the lid to check the results of the steamed egg at any time. You can open the lid several times and shake it a few times. If the egg liquid has solidified, it means the steamed egg is cooked. There are two types of failures in steaming egg custard. The first type, the egg and water separate. The egg custard condenses on the top, but when it is scooped open, there is water underneath. The second type, the egg custard has honeycomb-like pores. The reasons for failure are the inappropriate ratio of egg to water and the steaming time. The reason for these two phenomena is that many people find that the egg and water separate when the egg custard is not cooked through, so they extend the steaming time. Why is the steamed egg watery? If you find that the steamed egg does not solidify in the middle, then a big reason is that distilled water has entered the egg liquid. When the egg liquid is beaten and put into a bowl and put into the steamer or steamer, because its surface is not covered with any plastic wrap or the lid is not closed, the steam condenses into water droplets during the heating process and drips into the egg liquid. It will condense in the middle and drip into the egg liquid. Therefore, the egg liquid in the middle has too much water, which causes it to solidify. Eggs are rich in protein, fat, vitamins, calcium ions, and iron ions, which can effectively supplement the amino acids needed by the human body. Lecithin can promote brain development and improve memory. In addition, it can ingest trace elements and prevent iron deficiency anemia. Prevent cancer. Eggs contain more vitamin B2, which can decompose and oxidize carcinogens in the human body. Trace elements in eggs, such as selenium and zinc, also have anti-cancer effects. Delaying aging. Eggs contain almost all the nutrients needed by the human body, so they are called the ideal nutrient bank, and nutritionists call it complete protein model. It is one of the longevity experiences of many centenarians. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.